A developing situation in Wasco County, a wildfire burning nearly 2,000 acres. This is northeast of Bend. Going beyond the headlines, Joelle Jones live now with how firefighters across the state really are prepping for a dangerously dry wildfire season. Joelle?
Yes, Todd, and Central Oregon Fire Management just providing an update on what they're calling the Butte Creek fire, that fire you just mentioned just minutes ago, confirming that no evacuation orders have been declared, but the blaze is threatening structures as it more than quadrupled in size overnight. Meanwhile, crews closer to here say they're already battling brush fires, now urging residents to do their part to protect life and property as we head into the summer.
Our outlook for the season is that it will be dry and that we could have some fire activities.
Oregon facing another challenging wildfire season. Earlier this month, the governor gave a wildfire briefing saying she expects this season to be more aggressive than last year.
By July and August, we will experience above average severity that will culminate in September and October as we reach peak fire danger.
In 2024, the state saw a record-breaking 1.9 million acres burned. Wildfires now already sparking in rural parts of the state. The Butte Creek fire, 9 miles north of Clarno, jumping to 2,000 acres overnight, according to Central Oregon Fire. The cause is still unknown. Meanwhile, crews in the Portland metro say fire season is upon us.
With the dry May that we have had some brush fires.
Lieutenant Ethan Dawson-Holley says all of TVF&R members are undergoing wildland fire retraining as he and other members of the specialty team are prepared to deploy at a moment's notice.
It means a lot to be able to do that as well, because we know that if we have something to that extent here in our area, then they're going to have our back as well.
As firefighters get ready, he says homeowners should too.
We just really like to preach the importance of being accountable for your property and your home and cleaning up that area so that fire spread isn't super dangerous.
To get ready, he says remove any dead or dry brush within 30 feet of your home. Get set by signing up for local alerts, creating an evacuation plan, and packing a bag with food, medicine, and other essentials, and prepare to go if needed.
And Central Oregon Fire Management says helicopters are actively picking up water from the lake and dropping it on the Butte Creek fire as we speak. You can find more safety tips at KOIN.com. Reporting live in Portland, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.